Uwangal Lama Nagorkha Patshala Higher Secondary School Shillong. Ublawan Hakmat Du ha ke examen SSLC da ka bakamai sanspa prapusan marks ulapin pau ya ke jinkmen ka bakrao. Haba ngayo e ka result ka susngo kumba ka de jing pots niyo ngala lingo abha bat ngam shim lapet wat ya ka result jonga hi ulao. Ula ai burom ya kani ke jingjom namar ke jing tre shitom bat ke jinget haladie ula ai jimudru shakiwe pat ki samla tunget haladie pidei bantip ba phimduna nakiwe ulama ula ong ba ke jingpuli kamde tang ha ke jingpuli kon hinre ke jingyo i bar ke jingyo kendo ha ke jing imbaro kawe kalong ke bakongsan wala umpatra ya kalawe jong u hinre ulanget bo ublei unyalam ya u shakalinti kabade ha ka bakut ula ong manla ka kam ka baphile le de ka do nu baro bat pindep kum ka kamram ti phinla
To be honest, I was so nervous. I didn't even check my results. My phone was on flight mode, and when the time came, I directly came to my school, and I saw all the commotion going on in my school. Their wildness, chaos was going on, and when they briefed me about my result, like I could not even believe it, and I'm just so happy, and it feels just like a dream, and it feels ethereal, otherworldly.
What does it take? The question.
Well, you see, what I think that is that you should never think that you're less than anyone. You can come even from the rural side or even from the cities. You can even not score much in your previous classes, but what it takes is hard work. The foremost thing is that you have to believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, then who else will? Nobody's expectation and belief matters, but what matters is you and your mindset. You have to work hard for it. You have to hone your skills. You have to improve in what you lack. And to be honest, you should not be a bookworm. You should not only be books. You should have a whole life experience. Live your class 10 throughout and live your studies. You should know everything. Don't be a bookworm. Have vast knowledge of your topics, and when you write, this is my advice, that when you write, don't write what you have mucked up. Write through your heart. Write what you have understood. That's the key.
So,
Yes, that's the question that has been eating me up the most. I've been thinking a lot, but everything feels narrow to me. Like till now, I haven't really figured out my purpose in life. So I wish that God will help me to find what my purpose in life is, and that I can give it my all, and I can be a symbol for society.
okay, one last thing from a topper.
I would like to say that don't think of me as a topper. To be honest, I'm not a bookworm. I just study what I get. Don't think of me as a topper, because I know that thousands of people have prepared. Thousands of people were expecting this, and fortunately, I got what I wanted. But I would like to say is that whenever you do something, do fulfill your responsibilities, carry your dharma and your karma throughout, because that is the foremost duty of a human. And whenever you do something, don't expect anything, because if you do something without expectation, you will not be affected by the pleasure of victory, and you will not be affected by the suffering of defeat. So whenever you do something, do through your whole heart. Keep in mind that you are doing this because this is your duty, this is your responsibility, because you want this. And when you give it your all, the result won't matter to you, because in your heart you will feel satisfied. And to be honest, for me too, the results, they were eating me up much, but I have realized this, that the results didn't matter to me, because what I performed, I could do it with my whole heart. No regret was left in me. So the result didn't matter at all, and I'm just thankful to God that I got this top position.